Hey family, how y'all doing? What's up? What's up?
What's
I
up?
got some sharks,
What's up?
chicken and fries.
Some chicken and fries.
Y'all don't pay her no damn attention. Oh, you nasty wench. Y'all, that's okay. I'm gonna get her. I'm gonna get her. And I got me some mound sauce. Oh, Lord. This sharks is good. I got Queen Messiah over there eating some Vienna sausages. Stop. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't mess with my food.
Well, I'm not sure if I want to.
This is hot sauce right here. I can't mess with that. Oh, no.
Who she think she is?
Y'all know who I am.
All you see is number 4 here.
Thank God you can't see her.
You see me?
Now look at this chicken. And I got gas too because we ate. Oh, my stomach. Look, watch this, y'all.
God.
That was 10 White Castle burgers this morning. It's been going, man.
Mama's on the ball, y'all.
It's some RC. Y'all get burps and farts.
Oh, you be with the peppers, huh?
She ate 2 double cheeseburgers
And some chicken wings.
and some chicken wings.
Y'all, we just been eating out for the last couple of weeks.
And good too.
We can't we go?
Yeah, she go to the gas station.
We've been eating real good.
Oh, sorry.
Can't even push it out. It's stuck though. Yeah, I've been farting, okay?
So what's going on, family? I see me going live until I can get it together. It be every blue moon. Because my live don't work right. I called today about my internet service. And they send signals and stuff. It still ain't helpful. See, Lightbright ain't got nothing to say, y'all. She just sitting her butt there.
I'm sorry, because I got a boo-boo, feel like.
Well, don't keep shit over here. This shark, I'm telling you, this chicken is good as hell.
It's good as hell. It's real good. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum, yum.
I'm gonna get her. I got another one. Wait a minute, my stomach.
Oh my God, bro.
Watch this. Watch this. Quiet. That one ripper.
She on 10, y'all.
Like I was before. I'm telling you, that was those
Damn,
10.
You stink.
You don't even smell it.
I do smell you. You stink.
Well, you shouldn't be back there then.
You smell like garbage.
Tell her. She don't smell nothing. She won't be sitting there.
Yes.
I got fight too. Yeah, I heard that.
That's old Queen Messiah. Y'all getting farts? Damn.
Excuse me.
Gotta eat some more White Castles.
Yeah, that White Castles had you going.
Yes, it do. I'm waiting on a little Crystal. She said that she's finna do the challenge that I gave them with the nasty tea.
I'm sorry, over here too.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I got another one. Wait a minute. Shh.
You nasty. This is fun, right around.
Y'all getting them good. Me and Light Bright.
Messiah.
Queen Messiah, her silent. Mm. These fries, though, they getting cold.
Shit, I got a boo-boo, though. I'll be back, y'all.
You gotta go dookie.
That's what it feel like.
Mm. I'm telling you, I can't even come up. Y'all can less talk. Sister girl is hungry. I ain't eat ever since this morning. Like I said, they have coupon. You buy 5 White Castles, you get 5 free. I had 5 smoky cheddar ones, and then American cheese White Castle burgers. 5 of them. Library was like, Mom, you finna eat all of them? I'm like, yep. Nice chicken. Told you when you go into the ghetto neighborhood, you get the best food. I ain't gonna lie. They can cook their butt off. And I'm telling y'all, it be fresh. I know some people that eat the whole chicken. I mean the whole chicken, the bones and all. I can't do that. Can you eat the bones?
Yeah, he eat the bones. The chicken you eating right now, you sucking on, he eat the bones. He dig it out in the middle and then eat it. He eat the bones too. He eat the head of the bone. That's nasty. Why do you call it?
Wait a minute, Simon. Oh, my stomach. It's hard.
Look,
Wait a
I
minute.
got slime.
Let me
I
see.
got slime.
Wait, it's rumbling. Here it come. Here it come. That was a little poop. That was a little one. No idea. That was a little one.
It's like, look, I have slime.
I need some more.
Slime. See, slime. Every time I hit name on it.
Well, she been playing with that slime. That slime been everywhere.
No, it haven't.
Everywhere.
It haven't everywhere. But I take it everywhere.
Woo!
Heard a gunk sound. Look at this slime.
Y'all got to have my acid.
Grandma,
I have got me 3 pieces.
you should do the ASMR with slime. You're like,
I needed 6 pieces. Boy.
go. You should have do the ASMR with slime.
Maybe one day. Queen Messiah.
Okay.
Oh, y'all. Oh. Woo. Some good burps. I like this look, y'all. Y'all just see me. Woo. Stomach is full. Yes. They had nerves give me an end piece. How in the hell they gonna give me the end? Sister girl still gonna eat it. Because the bread is fresh, believe it or not. And it's good.